Loosen the tripod arms by unscrewing the bolts a few times, not so much that they fall off, and then tighten them out of your way. Collapse the first two legs by undoing the latch and then pulling the leg to meet the top of the tripod, holding the weight of the tripod in one hand. Collapse the third leg by undoing the latch and carefully lowering the tripod to the ground. Now that the legs are collapsed, pull the tripod together by pulling the small metal ring up and then pushing the legs together. Then, carefully put the tripod into the case. Loosen the tripod arms and collapse them into the case so it will close. Remember, the tripod head needs to be at the top of the case where the case handle is, and the feet of the tripod need to be at the bottom of the case where the case wheels are. If the tripod feet are not flat, the case will not close. Now you can close the case and make sure all the latches are closed tightly. It's okay to ask for help. If you are struggling at any point during the teardown, please don't hesitate to ask James, Marcus, or Lauren for help.